Hello everyone, welcome to the video on the implementation part of hyperparameter tuning MLflow by Society of Artificial Intelligence or SOAI. Now let's look at the outline first. Basic motivation of hyperparameter tuning: integrating Google Colab with a local runtime. Config in Google Colab browser, Jupyter Notebook. Installing MLflow and basic use case. Logging parameters, matrices with MLflow. Logging image artifacts with MLflow. Logging PyTorch models with MLflow and loading them. So here are some files which we have to import: torch, matplotlib.pyplot, numpy, torchvision, import datasets, transforms, import torch.nn as nn, torch.optim as optim, and seaborn as sns. After successfully importing these files, let's import MLflow and ml.pytorch. In our Google Colab, we imported all the necessary files. Let's move further. Params class. Params with object as a parameter and constructor function which is __init___ function with self, batch size, epochs, seed, long underscore interval as parameters. You can see on the screen with the function body. Self.batch size is equal to batch underscore size. Self.epochs is equal to epochs. Self.seed is equal to seed. And self.log underscore interval is equal to log underscore interval. Argument is passed as args, which is equal to params function with 256,4, 0, 20 as parameters. Now dataset. Set up Google Colab to run on a local notebook by installing Jupyter, then start server and authenticate parameters. We will look at managed dataset, which we use Tensor for, and we normalize the data. Then we train and test the data by using the function model. We drive a class model with nn.module as parameter, and in this class we have two functions which are constructor function, that is __init___ function with self, ns is equal to 32 as parameter. Here super function dot __init___ function. Self.classifier is equal to nn.sequential function. You can see nn.linear, nn.reallive, nn.linear function, which is these are the values of self.nn.sequential function. Now let's move forward to the forward function with self, x as parameter. Here x is equal to x.view function with x.size of 0, -1. X is equal to self.classifier of x, and this function return x. Now define train function with epoch as parameter. Model.train function for batch underscore id, data in enumerate train underscore loader. Op.0 underscore grad function. Outputs is equal to model function with inputs as parameter. Loss is equal to loss underscore function with outputs, labels as parameters. Loss.backward function and op.step function. If batch underscore id modulo args.log underscore interval equal to 0, then post is equal to epoch multiplied with len function with train underscore loader as parameter plus batch underscore id. Now mlflow dot log underscore metric function with train underscore loss, loss dot data dot item function divided by len function of inputs as parameter, and it will be multiplied by 1000. Next function is test function with epoch as parameter. Model.eval function train underscore loss initialized as 0. Similarly for correct, which is also initialized as 0. Confusion underscore matrix is equal to np.zeros of values 10 comma 10 you can see on the screen with torch dot no underscore grad function. Here there is a for loop which is for inputs comma labels in test order. This loop will iterate and for x comma y in zip function print dot numpy function comma labels dot numpy function. In this iteration confusion underscore matrix of x y plus is equal to 1. Now test underscore loss is equal to test underscore loss divided by len function with test underscore loader dot dataset. Test underscore accuracy is equal to 100.0 multiplied with correct divided by len of test underscore loader dot dataset. Pose is equal to epoch plus 1 all multiplied with len function with train underscore loader as parameter. Now mlflow.log underscore metric function with test underscore loss comma test underscore loss multiplied with 1000. Similarly for test accuracy. Now if epoch is equal to arch dot epochs, then this function body will execute and so on. Now hyperparameter tuning loop for LR in this value and nested loop for momentum in this value, and next for loop which is for hidden loop. Here expect underscore id is equal to you can see here. Now print function model is equal to model function with hidden underscore nodes as parameter. Loss underscore function is equal to nn dot gross entropy loss function. Op is equal to optim dot sgd function with model dot parameters comma lr is equal to lr and momentum is equal to momentum. Similarly with mlflow dot start underscore run function as run. Here these are the function body. Now it will print the train epoch and test set. You can see on the screen. Here LR is 0.01 and momentum is 0.90 and hidden nodes is equal to 48. And for test set, average loss comes out 0.0010 and accuracy is 9235 by 10,000 which is 92% accuracy. For train epoch 2, you can see average loss come out 0.008 and accuracy comes out which is 94%. Again, for train epoch 3, the average loss comes out 0.0007 and accuracy comes out 95%. This is again very good accuracy. And for train epoch 4, the average loss comes out 0.0006 and accuracy comes out which is 96. When LR is 0.01 and momentum is 0.95 and hidden nodes 48, then for train epoch 1, the average loss comes out which is 0.0009 and accuracy with 93%. For train epoch 2, average loss is 0.0006 and accuracy of 95%. For train epoch 3, again, the average loss is 0.0006 and accuracy of 96% and so on. When you write the code and run in your Jupyter notebook, then you will get all the cases. Here, test set average loss 0.0068 with accuracy 44%. We get this graph and so on. Now loading and visualizing a model. Model underscore load is equal to mlflow.pytorch.load underscore model function. Here run ID is given, you can see on the screen, and models. Print model. This will print. Here is the output, the highlighted part, and weight layer 0 is equal to list function with model underscore load dot parameters function, you can see here. And when we print weight underscore layer 0 dot shape, we get 48 comma 784. Now SNS dot dishplot function with weight underscore layer 0 dot ravel function, plt dot plot function, it will plot this graph. Now for SNS dot heatmap function with np dot apps function with weight underscore layer 0. Now when we plot this graph, we get this image as an output. Here we load the model load from MLflow. Now we print model with the best accuracy and we load all the parameters using NumPy array, and then we plot the given at first layer, then we similarly plot other layers too. For n rows equal to 6 and n columns is 8, fig is equal to plt.figure function, you can see here. And for I in np.arrange 48, you can see the body part of the function, and plt.tight underscore layout function, then plt.show function. It will gives us the output. Society of Artificial Intelligence. Thank you.